If you have a service business, whether you are a coach, consultant, or an agency owner, then you want to go from zero to $10,000 a month in just next 3 months, then stick with this video and I'll be showing you how you can do this. So if you are doubting your offer, wasting your time in chasing the leads, getting inconsistent growth, ghosting by prospects every single time, posting random content on social media but getting no results, then by the end of this video, I'll be giving you a complete roadmap to build this predictable system for your business to generate 3 to 5 qualified appointments every single day for your business. By using our system, our clients are already crushing in their market and getting highly qualified appointments directly booked to their calendar every single day. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the process. So these are the main reasons why you might be struggling or failing to scale your business. Firstly, you don't have any system to attract right audience. So let's say if you have a great skill or great service to offer, but you don't have a system to attract right, but you don't have a system to attract right audience, then who will gonna buy your service or product, right? Secondly, your offer is unclear and your audience is undefined. You have to be very specific with your offer, because if you are trying to sell everything to everyone, then this will not gonna work, right? As you can see, this is the two examples of a fitness coach. The first coach is using, hey, I am a fitness coach and I offer online classes to get people fit. Would you like to join the classes? Now just tell me, if someone approach you like this, will you respond him? Of course, the chances are very low. And here's the second example that you can see. Hey, I'm looking for 10 dedicated working women or busy moms who want to lose 10 kg in next 90 days without starving exhausting workouts or stepping into a gym. Would you like to watch free training? Great. You can see how big the difference is between the first message and the second message. Right. So in the second one, we have first we specify our targeted audience. Secondly, we have specified what we are offering in a certain time frame, and third, we have highlighted the pain points of our prospect, that exhausting work without exhausting workout or stepping into a gym. We have mentioned a clear call to action where we are not just selling him, we are providing first value to them. Chances of getting a positive response with this offer is very, very high as compared to this one, right? So as you can see how big the difference is. So this is how people are struggle with their offer when they are using a generic offer in 2025. So third major problems is geo market credibility. So let's say if your competitor have a great social proof, he have a great social media profile set up with a lots of testimonials and social proof. Now you tell me whether your prospect gonna buy from you or your competitor. Of course, from your competitor, cause he has a social proof, he have a credibility on social media. So fourth, the major problem with is absence of nurturing system. So what is nurturing system? So let's say people are coming to your Instagram profiles or your social handles, but you are not nurturing them, so you are losing many leads. So in the next few minutes, I am going to show you how it actually looks like. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the solution, how you can actually fix this to scale and build a predictable system for your business. Okay, so these are mainly four phases. So let's jump into the phase one first. So phase one is offer refinement and define ICP. So firstly, you have to refine your offer. Like let's say if you are using generic offer right now, so you have to firstly refine, and how you can define it, I'm going to tell you right now. And after defining, you have to define the ICP. ICP is just a ideal customer profile, like how your prospect profile looks like. So firstly, how you can define the offer. This is the simple formula that we use for our clients and for ourselves as well to refine the offer. So the formula is simple. You have to mention the specific pain, specific outcome in the specific time frame to craft a great offer. So let me give you the example. So instead of general fitness coaching, we position it as the 90-day body transformation system that helps busy professional. As you can see, we have mentioned here the specific audience, busy professional, to lose 15 pounds and build sustainable habits without spending hours in the gym. So we have mentioned the pain, we have mentioned the time frame, and we have mentioned the specific audience. So this will help you to stand out your offers in the crowd. Right. So this is our phase one where we have defined the ICP, we have defined our offer. Now we will move to phase two where we will be building the credibility. So to build a credibility, you have to create a content assets that creates instant credibility even if you are a new brand. So we can draw the instant trust with these five elements that you can see. Firstly, you have to prepare a case studies and make sure all your content assets should be full tag of value. So first you can see the case study. You have to prepare some case studies videos. Then you also have to prepare a breakdown process. Like you can see this one, the video I am creating right now for you. This is also a breakdown process content that I'm creating right now for you, where I'll be showing the entire system that we use in our agency for our clients. Uh, so the third one is solving the pain points of your prospects. Fourth is process revealing, like how your system is work. Uh, the fifth one, which is client success story, right? So you can put the client testimonials or the feedback videos. So these content assets will help you to pre-sold your prospects by building the authority. So let's say when someone book the appointment with you, after watching your content assets, then there's very high chance that these prospects are coming to the call to buy your product or service. So you just have to show up on the call and interact with that person and close them. So after building the credibility in the market, you have to move to phase 3, which is start marketing your offer. So when you have a great offer, you have a great credibility, but to reach out more, but to reach out right eyeballs, you have to start marketing your offer. So for that, we launched our marketing campaign with high converting VSL. So VSL is just a video sales letter. So here are the key points. So the pain points focused VSL craft with proven conversion element. So how to create a good VSL. So that is another detailed topic that I can't cover in this video. Second is specific audience targeting using behavioral and demographic data. So you have to do detailed targeting to reach out to the right audience that have potential to convert. So the third one is strategic ad placement across platform where your ideal clients already spend time. So you have to see where your ideal clients hang around, and you have to place your ads accordingly. So the fourth is retargeting sequences. So this is the all technical stuff that we implement while we launching our campaign. So the fifth one is analytics dashboard to track KPIs and performance optimize. So this is very important because you have to track the KPIs to optimize the performance of our ad campaigns. So you have to track what working for us, what not, and accordingly you have to optimize the campaign. All right. So after phase 3, when we start driving the audiences, now it's time to nurture those audience and turn into appointments and sales. And for that, we have to move to phase 4, which is nurturing automation that we have talked earlier. So this is the final piece, is what really accelerate your growth, setting up what I call the conversion machine. So this phase will help you to nurture the audience that we will be generating through ads and organic to turn them into appointments and sales. So this includes educational content sequences, case study distribution, objection handling materials, social proofs, follow-ups, automation. So these will be helping us to nurture the audiences, the content assets that we have prepared earlier. We will use those assets to nurture our leads. So when we implement it correctly, the system takes your conversion rate from the industry average, which is 10 to 15%, to 30 to 30% or higher. Like this is very obvious. If someone booking an appointments after watching so much valuable stuff on your social media, the chances are very, very high to close them. All right. So I have given you everything that is required for your business to scale. Now it's time to implementation. Let's do a quick recap. So firstly, foundation building, where you will be doing a offer refinement, defining ICP, and building a initial credibility by creating content assets. Second, you will move to system construction, where you will be building brand identity development, creating initial content, doing initial content creation, launching ad campaigns, integrating automations. After that, here becomes the optimization and scale. After implementing the system, you will be optimizing the ads, your pricing structure, hiring new team members, and so much. So if you are still watching this video, I have something for you. So I have created a free bonus for you that we use for our client to set up all the system for their business and scale their business. I have put it all together to build a service business pack that includes the offer checklist, defining ICP, building content assets checklist, 90-day implementation calendar. You can use this checklist and implement the whole system for your business by yourself. So to get this, just simply go down and check out the description and you will find my Instagram link. Just DM me scale and I'll be sending it to you for absolutely free. If you want more valuable and practical stuff, then do subscribe this channel and I'll be posting more videos soon. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.